Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edibos. Today we are making bean stew and I'm so excited to have you back and also to share this recipe with you. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. So lovelies, let's dive in. I'll be using black eye beans for this recipe and I soak this in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's not a must to soak your beans before cooking it, it's just fasten the cooking process. So if you don't have time for that, there's no need to soak it, okay? So I'm gonna cover it and cook on high heat. And at this point, I can go ahead and add my salt. Somebody may ask, why adding salt now? The reason is, if you add it early, it's gonna prolong the cooking process and we don't want that. So let's check the tendency. Oh, it's so hard. Let's cover it to cook for additional 10 minutes still on high heat. Looking at the boiling rate, I could tell it's well cooked, but still let's check. There you have it. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and then strain it off camera. Finally, we have gotten our cooked beans and also our bean stock. I see a lot of people discard their bean stock after straining the beans, and that is totally wrong. You can use the stock in your stew instead of discarding it, even though it doesn't appear attractive, but don't worry, I'm going to use it and you will see. In a pan, I pour in my vegetable oil. You can also use palm oil as well. Then we allow it to heat up. Let's do grandmother test. Alright, so I can now go ahead and add my onions to it. I give it a stir and then allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. To that, I add my finely chopped ginger to it. We give it a stir and allow it to fry for another 2 minutes. So I then go ahead and add my tomato puree to it and then stir everything together. So I'm going to rinse my bowl with the bean stock and then add it to the stew. And there you go. And then stir everything together. Alright, so I then go ahead and add my salt just to your taste. I add my seasoning powder, chili pepper, and then stir everything together. Stew is all about stirring as it will burn. So anything you add to your stew, you have to stir, okay? And then add the cooked beans to it. We give it another stir. So now let's allow the beans and the stew to have some kind of communication, like they should get to know each other, and this will take about 2 minutes. So I then go in with my smoked fish. My Ghanaians already know this. In Ghana here, we don't make bean stew without smoked fish. If you're Ghanaian and you make bean stew without smoked fish, we have to investigate you. Maybe you are not a true Ghanaian. Finally, I add my shredded onions, and this is one of our secrets, but if you don't like it, just omit it, okay? If you don't like it, there's no need to add additional onions to your stew. But trust me, it really goes well. So and then add the remaining stock. So you see, at the end we have used all the bean stock. It's better this way than to discard it. No, that is totally no. So let's allow this to be on fire for about a minute. It's ready, so I'm gonna turn off my heat. And there you go. So what do you match your bean stew with? Well, I prefer mine with plantain, boiled one. Okay, so it's time to serve. Hello lovelies, it's about to go down, and are you ready? Are you ready? Lunch yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.